Running.
Thanks, Ray.
So, tell me, where did you get the cat? Bob. Truth now.
Found him in my flat. He was astray, wouldn't leave me alone, as if we were soulmates. 2 bits of the same jigsaw.
Jammy sod.
Won't deny he pulls into punters.
I don't care how much money you make from it. I'm talking about having someone to care for. Giving yourself some purpose, meaning. Finding someone to have that connection with. I used to be. Had this little girl, Macy. There was this jumped up guy in a Ford Fiesta. It took me 9 months to walk again. That's when everything started to fall apart. I don't miss well, I definitely don't miss her mother. But Macy.
Yeah, and you wake up one day and you've only got one friend in the world. 90 in a little plastic pouch.
That's why we've all got our stories to tell. That's why we're sitting here.
So where is she now, basically?
Somewhere in West London. She's got a kid, little boy. Not that I've ever seen him, but I wonder if he's got the same little family big ears. You wouldn't think it, would you? But she doesn't need me in her life anymore.
You're inside there somewhere. It's like Bob and me. He's not here right now, but he's in here, always.
Well, I'm done.
I'll see you around.